Hi everyone, this is Chris. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be making some resin pens, and they work like a charm. They're absolutely great. They have different shapes. I think right now they only have like 3 shapes. The ones that I have here, I bought these on AliExpress. I will put the links down below, and they're absolutely wonderful. I didn't buy the inside, the ink at the same place. I went to my local paper supplies and things like that. That's where I bought them. I'm going to show you the brand I have used and that I think are perfect for the size. This is another one here. So I haven't really polished this one here. I might take away that sharp edge here, but you don't have to. And they're really comfy when you write, and they're great. So there's another thing that you need to know is that you can take the ink out when you're over. That was something really important to me. I wanted to make sure that it's just not one use or one shot. You know, when the ink is done, you have to throw it away because that's a shame. It'd be kind of expensive, so you don't want to waste that up. You can take it off. I would recommend to make sure that you're going to pull easily out is probably to use a little bit of silicone oil, the one that you use in sprays, just to put a little bit so it'll be easier to take away. Now, as for the ink, this is what I have used. For 50 of them, I'm sure you'll have that brand since it's American. I have 50 of them. I paid $5.99, which makes 12 cents the unit, the pen, and they are perfect as for the size. So this is really important. You don't need to really protect that part. You could using a little bit of tape. I didn't do that, and I didn't have any problem writing. So the process to put that in is the same for all of them. Let me see if I can show you what's in here. You have this little tab. Can you? Yeah, I think you can see it better. It's not really big, okay? But this little tab goes into the back of your pen, which makes that in the end, you'll have a little hole because most of pen technologies need to have a little hole. So you won't see it here, but there is a hole. And there's another hole here on the back. Wow, it's all blurry. There you go. There's another little hole here on the back of that pen to make the air come in, otherwise your ink is not going to flow and you won't be able to write. So they have think about that too. That was good because I thought, oh my gosh, we're going to have to make a little hole somewhere. So you're going to do this to all of them. You're not going to see much in this one, but I'm going to do the same. First, you put that point in, then you've got this little tab, you put that point in, and you're good to go. And again, it's staying like in the air, you know, just touching these 2 parts. And now you can use epoxy resin or again UV resin. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some gloves on. I'm going to put a respirator on too, so you won't hear me talk. I'm going to put some music on, grab a little cup of coffee or tea, and let's start crafting. here they are. I'm going to show you on black what it looks like and also on white. So that is the last piece I have done. I really like that. There's going to be a little bit of sanding, but not much. It's really shiny. I like the way it looks. So this was made with bigger glitter than this one. And there's less glitter, so it's more translucent. I really like that. In real life, it's really shiny and glittery. I just love it. Really love it. This one is with 2 shades of blue. I hope the camera will be able to pick it up. A little bit of sanding just around here, but not much. I really like the shape of this one. It makes me think of maybe a fish or a dolphin. I really like that. And last but not least, this one. I love this glitter. I will put the link underneath below. I bought these on AliExpress too. And just added a little bit of ink in this one to make the color pop out. I didn't do that in this part. It's really nice. I'm going to have some sanding to do here because I went way overboard. But it is really easy to sand. You start with something really rough and you finish it up with something like this one. The black is really thin. And then just a little bit of resin on top to make it shiny again. And it will look just beautiful. So there you go. I hope you like this video. You'll give it a try. I will put all the links below. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And please also share on social medias. Thank you so much. Take care and see you soon. Bye.